Before, to make a flipbook, all you needed was a pen and a top of paper. But nowadays, flipbooks are a little bit different. Naturally, the tools needed to create one have also evolved over time. If you're already using InDesign or Canva for creating your visual materials, or Acrobat for creating PDFs, then you're one step closer to creating your first flipbook. And if you don't use any of these, then no worries, we got you covered. Just keep watching the video because it's simpler than you think. First, let's talk about the tool that we're gonna use, Flipsnack, which is the most advanced flipbook maker available on the market, literally used by millions of people and businesses all around the world. So I'll head over to flipsnack.com and sign into my account. If you have a PDF file, just upload it into Flipsnack. The great thing about flipbooks is that they are interactive, so you can display all sorts of engaging elements. In my case, I'll go into the online design studio and add a few slideshows to my pages. I just drag this into my design and then upload my photos to it. While we're here, I'll also add a few videos to keep my audience engaged. Again, I just upload these and drag them into my design. And why not a few GIFs to spice things up? And that's it. My flipbook is now ready to go. But I want to personalize the experience a bit more for my readers in the Customize section. For example, I will brand my flipbook with my brand colors and my logo. And now, after these finishing touches, it's ready to be shared. I'll just pick one of the multiple publishing options. In this case, I want it to be shared privately, with specific people only. Now, what if you don't have a starting point? Well then, just hit create and select a format that best suits your needs. The easiest way is to use one of the pre-designed templates. I'll find a suitable template and then I'll drag this into the editing area where I can customize it to my liking. I'll select the different text boxes by double-clicking on them, and then I will edit these with my own text. I can also change the font style from the left side menu. Then I'll upload my own images into the upload area and drag these into my design. Just like before, I'll go into the Customize section and give the flipbook a more unique presentation style by branding it with my assets. And now I will publish it, but I want it to be public so that people can easily find it online. So that's how you make a flipbook. But what do you do after that? For a start, you can download it in a bunch of different formats. Maybe I want to use the flipbook on social media, so I download it in an MP4 format. Or maybe I want to print it out. Then I can download it as a PDF. I can also check all sorts of statistics, like the average time people spend on my flipbook, the number of downloads, or even the number of times they engage with the interactive elements. These are some important statistics that are going to help. Oops, that's a typo. But it's okay, I can always go back and apply live updates. The link to my flipbook stays the same, so you don't have to worry about resharing the links. Just remember that this is a quick how-to video. Flipsnack offers many other features and tools that help bring your flipbooks to the next level. For a more detailed look, please go to our website or check some of our other YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.